Hello my YouTube friends and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. Today I'm going to be making a fun recipe inspired by my friend Papa Texas. And guess what? He sent me some fun mail all the way from Texas. Let me show you what he sent me. So the first thing he sent me were these Dr. Pepper baked beans. Aren't they cool? I've never seen these in our stores in California. And then he sent me this flying Parmesan garlic wing sauce, some fajita seasoning, some Louisiana garlic butter sauce. That's gonna go great with like shrimp scampi. And then he sent me all these Uncle Steve shake seasonings, like competition pig powder. And then he also has his own custom label Papa Texas Uncle Steve shakes with all the different flavors, like the original and the spicy R and the gator shake. And then he also sent me some Texas bluebonnet seeds that I'm going to plant in our new house, and some Papa Texas stickers and a pen. So thank you, Papa Texas. That was awfully generous of you. Now stay tuned till the end of this video because I'm going to be giving away some of these spices and you have to find out how to win. So I'm going to be making one of his recipes, which is a corn dog casserole. Now you know how you make corn dogs where you dip the batter and you fry it? Well, this is going to be much easier because we're going to bake the hot dogs in a cornbread mixture, and I'm going to stuff it with cheese and jalapenos. So let's get cooking. The first thing we'll need is 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread mix, 2/3 cup of milk, and 2 eggs. Now what I've done is I've grilled up some hot dogs and I'm gonna split it down the middle. And now I've got some cheddar cheese slices that I'm gonna place in the middle. Then I have some pickled jalapenos that I'm also gonna stick inside there. So it looks like that. Okay, so now what I did is I put half the batter in my loaf pan, then I put the 3 hot dogs in the middle and topped it with the other half of the cornbread mixture. Hey guys, at the last minute, I decided to add some shredded cheddar cheese to the top, because why not? And some Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy R. Now put this in a preheated 375 degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, it was 45 minutes and I covered it for the last 15 minutes because it was starting to get too brown on top. And this is how it came out. It smells nice and cheesy, and you can smell the jalapenos on top too that I put there. So let's slice a piece and see how it looks inside. And there you have it, my version of a cheesy corn dog bake. Now I'm going to be giving away 4 full-size spice bottles of the Uncle Steve shake, plus 2 of the small ones that Papa Texas has graciously given me to donate for the giveaway. And all you have to do to win these is go over to Papa Texas's channel and visit his video called How to Make Corn Dogs at Home. And I want you to like that video, go and watch it, and leave a comment. Then come back to this video and tell me that you watched it, and you will be in the drawing to win. And I'm gonna pick the winning comment next Sunday, the 25th, and I will let you know who wins, and I will send all these wonderful Uncle Steve shakes out to you guys, whoever is the winning comment. So thank you guys for watching, and today's video will be the last one you see in this kitchen. We have filmed over 130 videos here, but we have moved into our new house, and I was actually gonna film this in our new house, but they're installing new flooring and it was very loud and it just was not gonna work. So the next time you see me have a video, it will be in my new kitchen. So thanks for watching, you guys, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye, everybody.